Hello everyone. We are going to discuss our group assignment that is of Type 600 and the topic is Enterprise Security Analysis and Plan. So we are 4 group members and my name is Amandeep with the student ID 202348837 and my other group members are Sayyida Mariam Fatima, Alina Batul and Anam Zulfikar. So we are going to discuss our first slide that is on the security mission and vision statements, in which we can see like security mission statement to ensure data, systems and AI models developed and used by OpenAI remain secure from unauthorized access or damage while adhering to the principles of responsible AI and promoting the well-being of humanity. Second one is security vision statement. To become a leader in many aspects of AI security, for the aim of making sure that the technology we have today is created and used safely with high ethical standards of data protection and privacy to build the trust of users and investors. The third one is alignment with open AI goals and values, in which I can see that the security mission and the vision statements are also consistent with the overall objectives of OpenAI since they focus on ethical development of AI and at the security mission the same time guarantee that AI technologies are safe and transparent. OpenAI stages that its role to make sure that the AI is advantageous to all beings and is backed by robust security measures which are crucial for people's trust and safeguarding personal information in the wake of the breach. The security vision also brings into focus the aspects of transparency and commitment to human values, including the aspects that include open source effects and efforts which align with the vision statement of OpenAI. Next slide, please. So in the third slide, we can see strategy security plan. The security management strategy for OpenAI will be geared towards strengthening the security parameters after the data leaked incident and identify current threats facing the organization key objectives. Enhance data protection. The software could integrate higher security measures such as extremely complex encryption algorithms and highly limiting user access. The second one is incidents response strengthening. Establish and strengthen standard operating procedure with fast resolution to security incidents. Third one is security awareness. Promote security awareness among the workforce in order to make them understand how they can contribute towards security of open AI resources. The fourth point is compliance and risk management. Follow appropriate data protection legislation to the letter and always evaluate and manage possible risk. Fifth point is partnership and collaboration, which is very important. Consult with specialists in external cybersecurity and cooperate with other AI research organizations to mitigate such threats. Next slide, please. The fourth slide is based on tactical security plan that is immediate actions 0 to 3 months. In this slide, we can see in the first level of OpenAI security improvement, there are some important steps that must be taken to solve the existing problems and improve the safety system. First of all, it is crucial to recognize that an entire network and each of the system and applications integrated into it will undergo a security assessment. This audit will reveal areas of potential weakness and opportunities for enhancing security measures. Creating a plan for strengthening those security measures. Furthermore, Microsoft Office 365 overall usage security will be improved by enforcing the use of multi-factor authentication, which is known as MFA, on all platforms. MFA will enhance security in a way that would prevent unauthorized personnel from accessing certain systems and data. At the same time, a security education, training, and awareness program will be designed and implemented for all staff members. This program will involve training the workforce on security measures and the way in which they can enhance security in the organization. And the next slides will be further discussed by my other team members.
Hello everyone, myself Sayyida Mariam Fatima and my student ID is 20174094. Uh, sorry. Continuing from the task in the immediate phase, the subsequent action will now aim at strengthening data security and readiness for future cybersecurity incidents. Among the important deliverables in this period will be upgrade and the implementation of the data security protocol. This shall entail the necessary measure that will require all the data, whether in transcript or storage, to be protected in the strongest manner as per the modern world security standard, hence reducing the degree of reducing the degree. In addition, a standing incident response team IRT will be formed, and each person will have a specific set of responsibilities in the team. The IRT will be held accountable to act promptly in instance of security breaches and prevent any large scale consequence of the breaches as well, to ensure that the breaches are about the under control. Next slide, please. Thank you. For the long term, there will be more emphasis on developing system for monitoring and detecting the threats and partnering with the external entities to the strengthening open AI cybersecurity. A real-time based security threats monitoring system will be designed to so that the security threats are identified and acted upon in a timely manner. The idea is that the system will use tools like artificial intelligence and machine learning to detect threats before they pose a serious risk. Moreover, there are plans of open AI to form strategic collaboration with the most renowned cybersecurity companies to improve threats intelligence. This partnership will assist Open AI in the acquisition of current threats data and analysis of this threat in the timely manner. Next slide, please. Developing the security program. Classification of OpenAI as a large enterprise necessity of an information security department. This annual review will confirm that we continue to maintain the appropriate level of security that will keep OpenAI secure and protected from the growing threats and risks online. Thank you. And the next slide will be read by my other friend.
Please, Alina, please unmute your mic. You're on mute.
Sorry. Hello everyone, my name is Anina Batul and my student ID is 20239953 and I'm discussing the information security functions. This slide highlights the key functions of an information security department. Each function is crucial to ensure the overall security of an organization information system in data protection and privacy, preventing leakage of information and ensuring adherence to data protection laws. Incident response, providing deeper real-time understanding and timely response to security threats. Risk management, ensuring information security at work within an organization. Compliance and governance, compliance with legal and regulatory requirements that may apply to our business. Threat intelligence, supervising and identifying potential threats as well as designing preventive measures. Security awareness and training, incorporating security training for the employees and making them aware of security measures and guidelines. Network security, preserve the confidentiality and physical security of OpenAI network. Application security, protecting OpenAI AI model and software from vulnerabilities. Next slide, please. This slide presents the staffing structure or organogram of the Information Security Department. Chief Information Security Officer CISO, Data Protection Officer, Incident Response Team Lead, Incident Analysis, Risk Management Team Lead, and Risk Analyst. compliance and government officer, threat intelligence lead, and threat analyst, security awareness coordinator, network security engineer, application security engineer. This structure ensures that all important areas are covered and have specialized teams, while leadership and accountability are established. Reporting directly to the CEO, the CISO supervises all activities within the department and aligns them with OpenAI security objectives and VN. Next slide, please. Placement with organizational structure. The Information Security Department should be placed directly under the CTO, Chief Technology Officer. The CTO should be at the company level and have direct oversight of the Information Security Department to ensure that the information assets of the company are protected from hackers and other malicious individuals. This placement ensures that while making any technology based decision, the necessary security issues are taken into consideration and that the security team has a direct reporting line to the management. Thank you. Next slide will discussed by my team member.
Hello, my name is Anam Zulfikar and my student ID is 20172601. I will discuss the security program elements. The key elements of the security program is the policies, which are the formal documents that outline an organization rules, regulations, and expectations regarding the use security and compliance. The next step is the procedure, which are the detailed steps and instructions for implementing policies and handling various tasks and situations. Technologies are the tools and systems used to protect, manage, and monitor information and infrastructure. The next point is incident response, which is a set of practices for detecting, responding to, and recovering from security incidents. Compliance is the adherence to relevant laws, regulations, and standards governing the organization operations. Training is a program designed to educate employees about security practices, policies, and procedures. Monitoring is a step which has a continuous oversight of system and activities to detect and respond to potential security threats. At last, auditing is the regular reviews and assessments of policies, procedures, and controls to ensure they are effective and compliant. The next slide is the information security personnel roles. Uh, the most important role is the CISO, Chief Information Security Officer. The role of this Chief Information Security Officer is to oversee the organization's overall information security strategy and implementation. Its responsibilities includes the develop security policies, manage risk, ensure compliance, and communicate security posture to management and stakeholders. The role of the data protection officer is to ensure the compliance with data protection laws and regulation. His responsibilities includes to manage data protection practices, advise on data handling and privacy issues, conduct data protection impact assessment, and act as a point of contact for data subjects and regulatory authorities. The incident response team leader has a different role, which is to coordinate and manages the response to security incidents, leads the incident response team, oversees the incident detection and analysis, coordinates the response actions, and manage communication during incidents and ensure post-incident analysis and improvement. At last, the role of the security analyst is to monitor and analyze the security threats and incidents. Next slide is the SITA program framework. The SITA abbreviation is the Security Education Training and Awareness. The purpose of the security education is to provide employees with a deep understanding of security principles, policies, and the organization's security framework. It focuses on the cybersecurity fundamentals, risk management, and understanding legal and regulatory requirements. The purpose of the training is to teach employees specific skills and procedures needed to execute their roles securely. The purpose of the awareness is to keep security top of mind and foster a culture of security within the organization. The execution plan is a different term which is used to handle all the activities, identify the security needs and gaps, define objectives, and develop a detailed plan. It also improves the continuous process in the cybersecurity management system. This is our references. Thank you so much.